So you can see the kind of wind I'm in right now, and I'm going to show you how you don't need spot lock to fish in the wind. Now, as you get good with it, you'll use spot lock less and less. You just find a speed that keeps you either slowly moving forward or keeps you from going backwards or forward. Sometimes in this heavy wind, it's honestly better to not use spot lock because it doesn't want to move around so much. Now you don't really have to constantly be touching the motor either. You know, I'm fishing these laydowns on this wind-blown bank, and you'll get good with it over time. You know, I didn't have spot lock for a long time, and having you know, foot control bow mounts and that kind of thing. I'm old enough to be around fishing before spot lock, so you know, I always grew up not using it. Just put your nose in the wind and find a speed that doesn't